YouTube just made it 100 times easier to get monetized on YouTube in 2025 because they shifted the algorithm in your favor. And now it's easier than ever before to be able to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so you could finally get monetized on YouTube. And to prove that to you, I literally started a new YouTube channel, this one right here, and got it monetized in just a few weeks. And now I'm making thousands of dollars a month for pretty much just uploading a few videos a week that don't take me that long. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know everything that you need to do in order to do the same exact thing. Just follow this blueprint and I promise you, you are gonna get monetized on YouTube. Step number one is you need to make sure that you are taking advantage of YouTube Shorts in order to get 1,000 subscribers as fast as possible. Trying to get 1,000 subscribers with long form content, if you've never made content before, is going to be incredibly difficult to do, but Shorts have made that 100 times easier. Why? One, because Shorts don't have to be that long. They can be 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 50 seconds, or you make them a little bit longer than 60 seconds, but that's not necessary. And these Shorts are way easier to create than a good long form video. And guess what? YouTube is actually incentivized right now in order to show people Shorts over long form content because people are preferring Shorts. In fact, Shorts are getting way more views than long form content right now. If you don't believe me, go look up your competitors and I would guarantee you that they get more views from Shorts than they get from long form content. Secondly, it's way easier to get subscribers from Shorts. Why? Because there's way higher odds that people are actually going to see your call to action. If you're only asking people to subscribe at the end of your YouTube videos, more than 99% of people probably aren't making it to that point, which means not that many people are going to subscribe, but you could ask people to subscribe early on in a short, right after the hook, or at the end of the short, so way more people are going to see it, which means you're going to get way more subscribers. On top of that, guess what? Once you have a short do well, you can make a long form video on that same topic and be able to take advantage of the fact that obviously your ideal audience wants to view videos on that topic. And then the final thing that makes YouTube Shorts incredibly powerful to get that first 1,000 subscribers is that you could upload multiple of them a day. You could upload YouTube Shorts 2 times a day, 3 times a day, even 4 times a day, which guess what this means? You get more at bats. I want you to think about something. If you were gonna play the lottery, would you wanna buy 1 ticket or would you wanna be able to buy 4 tickets every day? I think you know the answer to that. The second thing that you need to make sure that you're doing is you need to stop reinventing the wheel. This is the biggest mistake that I see small channels on YouTube make. If you listen to somebody like Mr. Beast or any big creator, they all say that they got good at YouTube by studying what worked and doing that. And right now, you are ignoring that by trying to recreate the wheel every single time that you go to create a piece of content. So here's what you need to do. For your next 5 videos, for your next 10 videos, I want you to look at something that worked for your competitor and do it for a new topic or do that same video. I'm not literally telling you to copy everything that they did, but I am telling you to do a video on that same topic, use a very similar hook, and make your video around the same length. If you do those 3 things, I guarantee you, you are going to get more views on YouTube so long as you make a better video than they made. If you haven't made a better video than they made, then don't publish that video yet, because you need to understand something. YouTube is a meritocracy. YouTube knows what they have an audience for, and they know that they are going to show the best video to that audience. What does the best video mean? 1, that your video gets clicked on more than your competitors. This means that you have a better title and a better thumbnail. 3, you need to make sure that your video is at least the same length as their videos or longer so that they are spending more time watching your videos. Because if you can get that to happen, YouTube is going to give you views. It is literally that simple. It comes down to just doing those 2 things right, but there are still 3 other things that you need to make sure that you're doing, because like I shared with you earlier, the YouTube algorithm has recently changed, which means there's some new opportunities, some new features, and some new things that you could take advantage of right now to get monetized way faster. So that third thing that you need to make sure you're doing is taking advantage of the fact that now the YouTube Shorts algorithm and the YouTube long form algorithm are going to be combined. What does this mean? If somebody watches a YouTube short about the Yankees, the baseball team, then they're going to get served long form content on that. But if somebody watches a long form video on that, guess what they're going to get served? They're also going to get served baseball content. So you need to make sure that you are creating long form content and shorts content that are on the same topics. And there's actually a really easy way for you to be able to do this. Take whatever long form content you did, or whatever lives you did, or whatever Twitch streams you did, and break that up into a bunch of shorts. Now there's just one problem with this. That 1, that is incredibly time consuming, and 2, you probably don't know which parts you should be cutting out. But luckily, I have a solution for you that is literally going to show you exactly what parts of your video could go viral and pretty much automate you cutting up your long form content into shorts. And that's exactly why I'd strongly suggest that you use Nexus Clips in order to do this for you, because their AI is going to find the perfect video clip for you, it's going to edit it for you, and it's even going to add subtitles. So all you have to do is upload the long form video and boom, you're going to get viral shorts ideas straight from that are ready to publish. Here's how it actually works. You literally just log into Nexus Clips, sync up your YouTube channel, and now you're going to be able to edit specific clips that you want to grab, or click on create clip right here. It's going to bring up all of your past content. Like this video I uploaded 5 days ago. I'm going to click generate moments and then click got it, and boom, this is going to go through, analyze my content, and actually get those clips for me. In addition to that though, I can highlight the top things that I actually want to do. For example, moments that demonstrate effective use of task scheduling or anything I put in here. So I'm going to click this right here, click generate new moments. I'm going to skip this step and boom, this is going to go through and actually generate those for me. So now Nexus Clip has literally gone through, made all these clips, and it gives you a score of how likely this is to potentially go viral. Now, if I click on this right here, all I have to do now is click create clip up here. I could go ahead and I can adjust the length. For example, I want this to be 17 seconds. Then I click into edit up here, which will bring me in here where I can now affect the hook. I can put different stickers on here. I can add subtitles. I could change the framing, and then boom, export this video. And that's exactly why I'd strongly suggest you go to the pinned comment below and register for Nexus Clips today. This is an absolute no-brainer. It's going to help you increase your views, increase your subscribers without you doing extra work, because their AI features are amazing. By the way, when it comes to cutting up that content, if you're cutting up a long form piece of content, ideally you should be getting 2 to 3 shorts from it. If you're cutting up a live, ideally you should be getting 5 to 6 shorts from it. Because if you're not doing this, then you aren't taking advantage of the fact that YouTube is pushing out both shorts and long form content to your audience. And if you're not showing in both of those places, you're going to be at a huge disadvantage right now on YouTube, and it's going to lead to you not getting monetized. Because if you want to get monetized, you need those 4,000 watch hours from long form content, but you also need that 1,000 subscribers from the shorts content. So doing both of those things is going to supercharge your ability to get monetized on YouTube. Now, the fourth thing that you need to make sure is happening is you need to make sure that people are watching multiple of your videos. And there are 2 ways for you to be able to do this. The first way that you could do this is you could add a related video into your shorts. Here's what you need to do. You need to come into your YouTube shorts. You need to scroll down here to related video right here. What you should be making this related video is your latest long form video. And I would suggest that every time that you upload a long form video, that you go ahead and change all the related videos on your shorts to be that latest long form video. This is going to drive more people to your long form content, and it's going to increase the odds that you get 4,000 watch hours incredibly quickly. And it's going to make it so that YouTube thinks that your audience is watching multiple of your videos. And guess what this does? It increases the odds that YouTube actually pushes out your content. But that's just the first way that you could do this. The second way that you could do this is if we come over to a long form piece of content right here, is scroll down right here and see this end screen feature. So at the end of this video, watch what I do right here. 3.7, and this is by far the best model out there for anything math related or coding related. If you want to check it out, watch this video right here, because it basically, you see what I did there? I gave the viewer a reason to watch another video at the end of this video. And guess what this did? This increased the views that I got on this video. And then as a result, like I said, I'm keeping people on YouTube for a longer period of time. Because if they watch this 16-minute video, then they watch this 12-minute video, they just spent a half an hour watching my content. And guess what that does? It forces YouTube to say, hey, this person is keeping people on YouTube for a long period of time. We need to find more people that look like this person watching this video and show them this content, because in that 30 minutes, YouTube probably showed them 10 ads. And guess what that means? That means YouTube made a lot of money, and I also made a lot of money. So YouTube is going to continue to push out my content. You need to understand that you need to align yourself with what YouTube actually wants. They have an audience for certain types of content. They want to show them good content so that they can show them ads and make money, and you can make money. That's all that YouTube is trying to do. And the second that you figure that out and start tying yourself into that, you're going to get monetized. And then that last and most important thing that you need to make sure that you understand is that YouTube is a competition. You are not just uploading YouTube videos and it's a lottery or it's funny or it's a game. You are uploading YouTube videos and you are trying to get views versus your competitors. So if your title isn't better, you're not gonna get views. If your thumbnail isn't better, you're not gonna get views. If the length of your video is wrong, you're not gonna get views. If your video isn't better than your competitors' videos, you're not going to get views. And I am not saying that you need some fancy camera or some fancy lights. In fact, I've been using the same camera for the last 6 years. I've been using the same microphone for the last 6 years, and I've been using the same light for the last 3 years. I had to buy a new light because TSA broke one of my lights. But you need to make sure that you actually take into consideration, hey, do I have a good hook in this video? Do I have good transition phrases in this video? Am I actually telling people something that they haven't heard before, or am I giving them valuable information? Because if you are able to do that, it is going to skyrocket the reach you're getting. You're going to get monetized right now, and you're going to make thousands of dollars every single time you upload to YouTube. Well, not every single time, but you'll be able to make thousands of dollars a month. And if you want help doing this right now from somebody that's already done it multiple times and helped thousands of people do it, I personally want to work with you one-on-one in order to help you get monetized on YouTube. If that sounds interesting, well, please check out this video right here that walks you through the 3 different ways that we can work together so I can help you get more views, get more subscribers, and ultimately get monetized on YouTube so you get paid every time you upload. I'll see you over there.